Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how to divide polynomials using long division. Okay, now let's divide this polynomial. We have the trinomial 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 divided by the binomial x plus 5. First, we have the parts of this polynomial. We have the what we call divisor, which is x plus 5, the dividend, which is 2x squared plus 5x minus 23. And note that dividing polynomials is similar to the procedure used when dividing whole numbers. Okay, ready? Let's go.
Okay, so let's have this one. 2x squared plus 5x minus 23 divided by x plus 5. Okay, so let's focus to the first term, which is 2x squared. So 2x squared divided by x is 2x. So we're going to subtract the exponent. The exponent of x is 1. So therefore, 2 minus 1 is only 1 exponent. Okay, and then the next step is to multiply 2x times x. So 2x times x is 2x squared. So if we multiply the terms or the polynomials, we're going to add their exponent. So 1 plus 1 is 2. The next 2x times 5 is 10x. And then the next step is to subtract 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Then 5x minus positive 10x. Okay, so in this step, we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend. The subtrahend here is positive 10x. So we're going to change the sign, positive make it negative. So therefore, 5x, if positive 10, it will become negative 10.
The answer will be negative 5x.
Okay, then the next step is to bring down negative 23. The next step is to divide negative 5x divided by x. Okay, so negative 5x divided by x is negative 5. So we subtract the exponent. 1 minus 1 is 0. So therefore, we have no variable. Then next, we multiply negative 5 times x is negative 5x. The negative 5 times positive 5 is negative 25. Okay, so the next step is to subtract. So negative 5x minus negative 5x is 0. The negative 23 minus negative 25. So again, negative 25. We're going to change the sign of the subtrahend or change negative into positive. So if we have negative 23 plus or plus 25, the answer is positive 2. Okay, so we have the divisor, the dividend, the remainder, and the quotient. Wherein these are the parts of dividing polynomials. So the divisor is x plus 5, the remainder is 2, the dividend is 2x squared plus 5x minus 23, and the quotient is 2x minus 5. Okay, you can write the result as follows. Okay, we have this one, the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, 2x minus 5, plus the remainder, 2, the dividend, the quotient, the divisor, and the remainder. Okay, so in general, if p of x and d of x are polynomials with d of x wherein it is not equal to 0, we can write p of x over d of x equals q of x plus r of x over d of x, or p of x equals q of x times d of x plus r of x, where r of x is either 0 or its degree is less than the degree of d of x. If r of x is 0, then we say that d of x is a factor of p of x. Okay, so let's have this one. P of x is the dividend. D of x is the divisor. Q of x is the quotient. And r of x is the remainder. Terms for the division of polynomials. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Okay, we have this activity 1. Perform the indicated division and write your answers in the form as shown in the following example. We have p of x, which is the dividend, d of x, the divisor, q of x is the quotient plus r of x, the remainder, over d of x, which is the divisor. In this example, or in this format, we're going to follow this format. So we have the following activity, number 1, 2, 3. Okay, good luck.